Time now for our mental health moment of the week. Maine is experiencing a significant and sustained decline in deadly drug overdoses. It continues a positive trend over the last 3 years. The state has a 23% decline in overdoses from January to September of this year, and that's compared to the same time last year. And here with us to discuss is Sweetser's Options Liaison, Johnny Loftus. Johnny, thank you so much for joining us today. So talk to us about what you think is contributing to the decrease.
So this is really a prime example of a multifactorial effort to support individuals in need of recovery support. And so we're seeing a positive impact from many different areas. Programs like Options, which stands for Overdose Prevention through Intensive Outreach, Naloxone, and Safety, is placing substance use professionals in all 16 counties across the state. We're also seeing an increased hiring of recovery coaches and peer supports across the state, as well as access to various treatments such as detox treatment, residential treatment, and recovery residences, as well as medicated assisted treatment. One of the biggest reasons we're seeing a decrease is the widespread use and availability of naloxone. Naloxone, also known as Narcan, is a very powerful reversal agent for opioid overdoses, and it's helping save lives and keep people alive. It's important to note, however, while we're seeing a decrease in overdose deaths, that's a positive trend. A decrease in overdose deaths does not necessarily mean that overdoses are not still happening. If anything, this is showing that the work that we're doing is helping, and we should continue investing in these areas.
Well, yes, that is encouraging, but one overdose death is probably too many, right?
Absolutely.
So talk to us about some of the resources that are available.
Absolutely. So Options Liaisons are here to support Mainers at all stages of their recovery. That looks like both prevention and intervention. On the prevention side, that could be naloxone trainings and making sure that we're distributing naloxone and getting it into as many hands as possible. On the intervention side, that looks like, following up with people after they've had a non-fatal overdose and making sure that they're supported along that journey and knowing that they're not alone in that process.
Do you want to talk about peer support too and how that can help?
Yeah, absolutely. So peer supports like recovery coaches, those are people with lived experiences who are able to really connect and offer some of their own experience going through similar situations and help guide people and really emphasize that they're not alone in this journey and that they're here to show that they care and support all individuals regardless of whatever substance use they're struggling with.
All right, Johnny, thank you. Sustained decrease is good news, and we like that anytime we can report something positive. On your screen right now it says knowyouroptions.me. If you want to learn more, you can visit that website. Johnny, thank you so much for coming in today and all the important work you do. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.